Above the silent world, the snowy Alps rise like ancient guardians. A blanket of pure white stretches across endless peaks, untouched and timeless. The wind whispers softly through the mountains, carrying stories older than memory. Glaciers glisten beneath the winter sun, carving their way through valleys of crystal ice. Here, nature moves slowly, gracefully, in perfect harmony. Every frozen ridge, every drifting cloud, every shadow on the snow reminds us how small we are. And how beautiful the world can be when it rests in silence. This is winter in the Alps, peaceful, majestic, and forever breathtaking.